I'm a fashion student, and throughout my training, you're gonna see videos about textile design, art, sewing, and lot more. So before we start today's video, I'll be really happy if you take a moment to subscribe my channel below. So in the upcoming weeks, you're gonna see videos mostly about how I create a portfolio mood boards using Photoshop. So how I do digital mood boards. So let me know in the comment below if you found them helpful. Is there anything that you want me to do? If you have any suggestion or anything like that. And without wasting any time, we can start today's video. So after I've put all the elements on their place, I thought to do some annotation to give a bit clear idea about what I am trying to express. So like here I put skin issue ideas, which is relevant to this picture, and this is not a real tip. I actually took from Pinterest and removed the background. This was going with my color theme, so I choose that, and on top of that I just wrote it by hand. And the another part is this. I just wanted to just express, no, I was just trying to explain the material I used to create this textile piece, which is organza, and I burned this to get this effect here. Also this part here I just draw these elements, which I think it somehow highlighted more than just seeing the picture here. And also this is another burn plastic textile. I'm just saying another because this is also burn textile, but just a different material, so just to give a different texture effect. And yeah, I hope this is much more clear now about what this board is about. Let me know in the comment below if you have any suggestion or anything that you like or you didn't like.